Welcome to Masked Marvels, your ultimate guide to achieving radiant skin with homemade face masks. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the best face mask recipes for glowing skin. Our first recipe is the Avocado Delight Mask. It deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Next up, we have the Honey Glow Mask. It brightens your complexion and gives you a natural, healthy glow. For those with oily skin, the Yogurt Refresher Mask is perfect. It helps control excess oil and minimizes pores. Now, let's move on to the Papaya Radiance Mask. It gently exfoliates and brightens dull skin, revealing a radiant complexion. Our final recipe is the Green Tea Detox Mask. It detoxifies your skin, leaving it refreshed and rejuvenated. With these amazing homemade face mask recipes, you can achieve a natural and radiant glow.